Okay, this is Salty Spot, downtown St. Pete. We're going to go ahead and start pulling back. This is where the city tap's going to be. I can't even get past whatever kind of lip or root intrusions going on here. There's a couple of spots here where there's roots growing in, and the joints of the clay pipe suggest replacing the clay pipe at this point. We're going to go ahead and you can see a big root system here. And then we got another one coming back, another 10 feet or so. So then what we're going to do is we're going to locate where it's still PVC, and you're going to have to rerun this with new line.